Akhona ama-officials zonke akhona, principal Baba Khumalo, abonke othisha abakhona siyafisa ukubabingelela abantwana. Sanibonani? Sanibona? Oh, phela kusasekuseni. Sithi ukubonga kakhulu. Oqala asiqale sixolise ukuniphazamisa ekufundeni. Ngenxa ukuthi umsebenzi wethu ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ama-hour abekiwe okufundiswa nikwazi ukuthi nifunde khona nizokwazi ukuthi niphase.
See something in your eyes. I see a bright future. The road actually we are walking is towards a very bright future. That's what I say, and I must thank you for taking serious your education, because your education is your future. Your success in life depends in your studies. Continue to work hard.